Your feet will never be cold again. Here's a solution for everyone who struggles with cold feet and wonders how to warm them up. The best way to keep your feet warm is by using an insulating insole. Let me show you how to make one yourself. Most people throw away empty milk or juice cartons without realizing they can help prevent cold from seeping into your shoes and keep your feet warmer. Open a carton, wash and dry it thoroughly. Take the insole from the shoe you want to insulate, place it on the carton, and trace its shape. Cut out the traced shape. And voila, you've created a new insole. Place it inside your shoe, underneath the original insole. The carton's silver lining is great for retaining heat and reducing the cold that comes through the sole. This trick keeps my feet warm every time, and it costs nothing. A simple and cheap solution to keep your feet cozy. Since I started using this trick, I no longer throw away dirty or old shoes. Stains, dirt, dust, and unpleasant odors disappear quickly. You can also rescue sports shoes, Crocs, or even other soiled items using this method. All you need are these small balls. Since I learned how to make them, my sneakers, Crocs, and even socks are always clean. To make these balls, you need 2 small cups of baking soda. Add 2 tablespoons of any dishwashing liquid and 1 tablespoon of hydrogen peroxide. Mix all the ingredients into a uniform paste. You can now start shaping this paste. It's best to make smaller balls from it. I usually use similar ones more often. One such ball is enough to remove stains and dirt from a particular item. You can transfer them to a jar for storage. 1 screw-top jar is enough. To clean sneakers, take a bowl of warm water. Put the shoes in it. Now take 1 ball, crumble it in your fingers, and start cleaning the shoes. You can clean the soles directly with it. You can also dissolve it in water and clean the sneakers with a brush. A few minutes are enough to remove dirt. Baking soda and hydrogen peroxide work well on many stains, and the dishwashing liquid enhances their effectiveness. You can clean Crocs in the same way. The dirt disappears quickly, and there are no more stains. Then, just rinse the footwear well, and you're done. You can use these cleaning balls for shoes, socks, clothes, and even other items that need cleaning. Put your dirty socks in a bowl with water like this. They'll be clean and regain their white color. I don't waste time scrubbing socks anymore. I remove the dirt from them, but I don't have to rub them with my hands. Anyone who has white socks knows they get dirty quickly. They can turn gray and dirty in no time. If your socks look like this too, get a bowl ready and do what I do. Pour half a liter of hot water. Take baking soda. Baking soda is great for removing dirt. Measure out 1 tablespoon, put it in the bowl with water, and mix well until it dissolves. You need dishwashing liquid. It effectively removes various stains, even greasy ones. Measure out 1 tablespoon, and add it to the water. You also need vinegar. It softens water. Measure out 2 tablespoons and add them to the mixture. Stains and dirt will disappear faster thanks to it. Add another tablespoon of regular table salt. Our grandmothers already knew about the washing properties of salt. Mix everything thoroughly until the ingredients dissolve. The laundry mixture is ready. Now just soak the socks in it. Leave them in this water for a few hours. If the socks are heavily soiled, you can increase the amounts of each ingredient. After a few hours in the water, your socks will be clean. The dirt will disappear. This mixture always works and handles the most soiled socks. My grandma showed me a trick to make my son's shoes last longer. It has made my life so much easier. We all know how quickly kids' feet grow. You might pull out your child's shoes from the closet one day, only to find that they're too tight. This simple hack can stretch shoes by up to 1 size. All you need are 2 things: a Ziploc bag and water. First, fill the Ziploc bag with water and seal it tightly to prevent any leaks. Then, place the bag inside the shoe. Now, all you need to do is put the shoes in the freezer and leave them overnight. As the water freezes, it will expand and stretch the shoes from the inside. The next day, remove the bags and let the shoes dry. I guarantee the shoes will fit better. This trick also works for new shoes that might be causing blisters. However, if your child walks unevenly, this hack won't help, and you'll need to visit a shoe store to find a better fit. On hot days, your shoes don't smell ideal. I have a solution for that. Discover an effective trick for sweaty shoes that really works. Just a few simple steps are enough to restore freshness to your shoes. The first step is to prepare a spray bottle. Pour alcohol or disinfectant into it, which works great for eliminating the bacteria and fungi responsible for the unpleasant odor. Most of us have such a liquid in our purse or backpack. Next, prepare the shoes you want to freshen up. First, remove the insoles from them. Then thoroughly spray the inside of the shoes and leave it for a few minutes so the liquid can penetrate the material. Next, take care of the insoles. Spray them with the liquid as well, and then sprinkle them with baking soda. Rub the baking soda thoroughly into the insoles and leave it for a few minutes. This product not only kills bacteria, but also leaves a pleasant, fresh scent. Then rinse the insoles in water and leave them in the sun to dry. After the shoes have dried, the unpleasant odor will be gone. Regular use of this method will help keep your shoes in perfect condition. I hope this method will be helpful to you. Tip for washing shoes in the washing machine. Whenever I wash shoes in the washing machine, I always add one more thing to the drum. This prevents them from getting damaged. Thanks to this, washing them in the machine is no problem. You don't have to wash sneakers or sports shoes by hand. It's a tedious and time-consuming task. With such footwear, like sneakers or other sports shoes, the washing machine handles it perfectly, especially when the sports shoes are white. Even if the washing machine doesn't have a program for washing sports shoes, you can do it without worry. You can wash most of such shoes and fabric footwear in the machine, but not leather ones. This trick is also perfect for old sports shoes, especially white ones that you were thinking of throwing away. Wash them in the machine, and you'll surely still wear them. When washing shoes in the machine, choose a program for delicate fabrics and the lowest temperature, maximum 40 degrees. The best part is that you can easily wash even just one pair of shoes, and you can spin them without any problems. However, choose the lowest spin speed, put the shoes in the washing machine, and add one more thing. A towel is best, preferably a thick terry one. Put it in together with the shoes for washing. You can even use 2 towels. Then it will fulfill its role even better. The towel prevents the shoes from moving too much in the drum. The shoes won't rub against each other and the inside of the washing machine edges. With towels in the drum, you can easily spin the shoes without any worries. If you have laundry bags, you can place the shoes in them. Then washing them in the machine will be less invasive. Did you know about this towel trick? Do you wash shoes in the washing machine? Let me know in the comments.